Oh no!
Big guy fast.
Man, if only I had the weapon. Knocked him out. That would have worked, right? Well, good to know they can do that. Oh my gosh. Well.
I was not expecting that guy to be so fast.
Oh my gosh, that was
And then he consumed me.
so sad. I can't tell if your sound is broken, Kotsu, or if you're just breathing really fast. Sounds like it's on repeat again.
No, she's just breathing really fast.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, put that down! I said put it down!
Man, I keep forgetting about the wall.
Don't pick it up again, bastard.
Oh, is this on?
I wanna open the door when I'm in space, so then I'll die. I have the high ground.
Kotsu, are you talking? Oh no.
I think she's mute.
She's broken.
She became a mute.
Yeah, I think your sound's just stuck on repeat.
So apparently,
I'm just
apparently
gonna.
that
Oh.
forest keeper.
I'm just gonna use Discord.
Okay.
There's an in-game chat, you know, like text chat.
Oh, sweet.
You think I'm
Apparently.
gonna type shit?